Hello children, everyone is doing good? Great. So today we are going to start with our science class. But before starting, I just want to recollect whatever we have done in our previous class. So we already done with respiratory system, digestive system. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about circulatory system. Circulatory system means circulation of blood, or we can say movement of blood throughout the body. And it consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. As you can see here in the picture, it is a picture of heart, and heart is an organ. And you know the function of heart because you already done in your second grade. It pumps the blood throughout the body with the help of small and big blood vessels. And you can see here in this picture, blue and red color, these all are the blood vessels, and the blood flows through these blood vessels to all the parts of the body. But the question is, what is there in the blood? Blood takes the digested food and oxygen to all the parts of the body, or we can say blood carried the food and oxygen to all the parts of the body. But from where the digested food came? From the digestive system in the form of glucose, and oxygen from respiratory system. So it means that all the organ systems are working together like the members of a team. And it also collects the waste from our body. So this is all about the circulatory system. And the next system is nervous system. Whenever we came across a word nervous, it always related to brain. And nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. And children, we already came across the words brain and nerves. But where? When we have discussed about the sense organs. And I told you there also that all the sense organs are connected to brain through the nerves. It means nerves are carrying the messages from the sense organs to brain and from the brain to sense organs. And the spinal cord also having the same function, because spinal cord will also carry the messages from the brain to organs and from organs to brain. It means that spinal cord and the nerves, they are act like a messengers. Means whoever is carrying the messages, we call messengers. So they act like a messengers, spinal cord and nerves. It means that brain is controlling all the organs of the body. So what is the function of the nervous system? It controls all our actions like seeing, hearing, walking and learning. So this is all about the nervous system. And the next system is skeletal system. Skeletal system is made up of bones. And do you know children, bones are organs, or we can say bones are rigid organs. Rigid means hard organs. And our body is made up of 206 bones. Yes children. And when these bones join together, they form an organ system called skeletal system. Now what are the functions of the skeletal system? The bones give shape and support to our body. It helps us to stand, walk and move. It also protects the internal organs of our body. Internal means the organs which are inside our body, like heart, brain, lungs, etc. So this is all about the skeletal system. Now the next system is muscular system. Muscular system is made up of muscles, and you know children, there are more than 600 muscles in our body. Yes, and muscles and the bones, they will work together. So what is the function of the muscular system? Our muscles along with the bones help the body and its parts to move. Means that muscles and the bones, they will work together and help our body and its parts to move. So this is about the muscular system. Now children, whatever we have done till now, we'll just go through the new words. Circulatory. circulatory, circulatory. Heart, heart, heart. Blood vessels, blood, blood, vessels, vessels. Digested, digested, digested. Nervous, nervous, nervous. Brain, brain, brain. Spinal cord, spinal, spinal cord, cord, cord. Skeletal system, skeletal, skeletal system, system. System. Support, support, support. Protect, protect, protect. Muscular, muscular, muscular. So this is all about the organ system, and in the next class we will discuss 2 more organ system. Until that time, just take care and bye bye.